Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse your Google Play Store or use Google Chrome. On your TCL 306T. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, then find System and go for Date and Time. Here enable automatic date and time and go for the Play Store again, and as you can see it will load normally, the same as with Google Chrome. If we reload the page, it loads without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.